Gadget King Review. Is it legit or a scam store? Thinking of buying from Gadget King? Let's find out if it's a legit store or a scam. First, check the website's trust score. For example, gadgetking.info has a trust score of 62 out of 100, indicating a medium risk level. However, this site has several red flags. The owner's identity is hidden via Whois privacy services, and the site lacks a valid SSL certificate, meaning your data may not be secure. There are no customer reviews available, making it hard to verify their service quality. Additionally, the website appears inactive, returning a 503 error during recent checks. On the other hand, gadgetking.co.uk has a higher trust score and a valid SSL certificate, but it seems to be a park domain with no active content. There are also reports of fake Gadget King accounts scamming customers on social media platforms. So bottom line, Gadget King's legitimacy is questionable, so proceed with caution, and thanks for watching this video.